How to freeze location on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio. And if you want to freeze your iPhone location with iOS 18, then here in this video I'll show you a quick guide of how you can do this. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so freezing your iPhone location is pretty quick and easy. Simply go ahead and open up the settings application from your device and then scroll down from this page and find out the privacy and security. Go ahead and tap on this one, and from here tap on location services, and then simply go and tap on share my location right here. And from here you'll get to see the find my iPhone is turned on. You just need to tap on this one and turn off the find my iPhone from here. And turning off the Find My iPhone will actually help you to freeze your location from your device. But there's another thing that you can do. You can get back from here, and also you will have the location services. If you want to completely turn off the location, you can turn off the location services right from here as well. But if you want to turn off any specific apps location, then you can from the location services you can scroll down from this page and find out the apps that you want to turn off the location for. Let's say I'm going to tap on the maps, for example, and he'll get to say selected with the while using app. You just need to select never in order to stop sharing the location on the specific app. And following the same way, you actually can freeze your iPhone location using iOS 18. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.